Jai Hind everyone. I am Dr. Sartaaz Ahmed. I am Assistant Professor in Swami Vivekananda Subharati University, Meerut. My subject is Sociology. ज़रूरी ये है कि सोशोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट को हम जानें समझें। उससे पहले ये भी ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि लॉ के फील्ड में, लीगल एजुकेशन के फील्ड में सोशोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट क्यों पढ़ाया जाता है। ये जानना हर स्टूडेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम BA LLB के कोर्स में फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर में, इवन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, सेकेंड सेमेस्टर और थर्ड सेमेस्टर में सोशोलॉजी पढ़ा रहे हैं। उसके पीछे ये ख़ास वजह है कि हम बच्चों को सोसाइटी की नॉलेज देना ज़रूरी समझते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द सोशोलॉजी. Sociology is the scientific study of the society, including pattern of social relationship, social interaction, and culture. Sociology is the study of social life, social change, and the social causes, and of course consequences of human behavior. Sociologists investigate the structure of group, organization, societies, and how people interact within these contexts. The word sociology is taken from two words, socius and logos. Socius is a Latin word and logos is a Greek. It's mean study of society or companionship. The term sociology was first used by the Auguste Comte. He was the French psychological and philosopher in the 1839. Auguste Comte suggested that the foundings, he is the father of the sociology, defines sociology as the science of social phenomena subject to natural and laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. According to the Kingsley Davis, sociology is a general science of society. According to the Harry Johnson, sociology is the science that deals with the social group, and very famous sociologist Emile Durkheim suggested that science of social institution. So many philosophers and so many authors according to the this study, sociology is the study of the human behavior, sociology is the study of the human science, sociology is study of the community, sociology is study of the association, sociology is the study of groups, social groups, primary groups. There are so many definitions found in this subject. But now question is that why it is very important for the legal students? Because sociology is a science which is difficult than other science. It helps to understand the society so that it has its own characteristics. Sociology is a social science, not a physical science. Sociology can help us to understand ourselves better since it examines how the social world influences the way we think, feel, and act. Sociologists can gather systematic information from which to make a decision, provide insight into what is going on in a situation and present scenario. There are so many branches of the sociology. Of course, in the starting of this, sociology of law, legal sociology, historical sociology, sociology of crime, sociology of criminology, sociology of the penology, sociology of the medical science, sociology of the dentistry, the sociology of the nursing, sociology of the religion, sociology of the caste system, sociology of the urban, sociology of the political science, sociology of the rural, etc., etc., etc. Main characters of sociology are: it is an independent science, it is a specific science having its own, it is a branches of knowledge, it is a branch of the social sciences, it is a pure science, and sociology is generalizing, not particular, general science, not special, etc. The family and marriage is very important factor for any legal study, such as family. What is the family? Family is a group of persons united by the ties of marriage, blood, or adoption, constituting a single household and interacting with each other in their respective social position, usually those of spouses, parents, children, and siblings. A family is a group of the people who share common basic social units comprised of parents and their children. Love and the formation of family discussed according to the Sigmund Freud, the concept of family as a biological, physical, emotional, and economic necessities. The main characters are of the family: a mating relationship, a form of the marriage, some rules of mating relationship or selection, a system of the nomenclature, and economic provision and economic common habitation. Just like the family, marriage is very important for the legal study. Marriage and family are key structures in most societies. Sociologists are interested in the relationship between the institution of marriage and institution of the family, because historically marriages are what create a family, and families are the most basic social unit upon which society is built. There are so many types of the families. Number one is the monogamy. Of course, it is very famous in our Indian culture, and polygamy and polyandry. There are so many acts and social legislation related to the family and the marriage, such as the Prevention of the Sati Act 1829, the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856, the Civil Marriage Act 1872, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956, Medical Termination of the Pregnancy Act 1971, and Family Court Act 1984. There are so many social problems which are related to the society, and it is the part of the study of the sociology, just like the women harassment, trafficking, prostitutions, child labor, female feticide, malnutrition, child labor. There are so many cases, including poverty, beggars, unemployment, domestic violence, harassment at the workplace, etc., etc. The Divorce Reform Act 1969 and the Triple Talaq is very important in nowadays in this government. The domestic labor, the aging population. Aging population is very important in the sociology, because there are so many problems are related to the elderly person, that is called as a geriatric problem. There are so many social security for elderly peoples, even female or male, and their widowed problems, their separation problems, their loneliness problems, so many problems found in the society. So we studied the elderly in this subject. Of course, as I told, the crime is very important and criminology is very important. The relation crime and sociology is very important in this context. One thing is more than juvenile delinquency. It is very important point, juvenile delinquency. What are the major causes behind the topic of the juvenile delinquency? Which are the major elements, factors, or remedies, extra remedies, etc. Thank you very much. Thank you.